So after you've cut the threads into the case here, you take the special insertion tool that tightens the spring, which is actually the helicoil, and run that right down into there, and it makes a beautiful thread for you out of steel, which is substantially stronger than the original thread. You can see the spring or thread piece as it's going in. Right here, goes around. We're going to put that below the surface so there's no problem with the thread getting in the way of the gasket and the cylinder seating nicely on this case. There's a little peg on the inside of the thread which we'll knock out with a hammer, and then it'll be ready to go. You'll have threads just like that.